I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 6 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen, and my WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Now I am going to start my Excel chapter 6 simulation training. We will open this training and then we will launch this training. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and Web Development. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. Okay, click on launch button. Simulation will be launched here. Question number 1 of this simulation training will be here. Click cell B2, click the name box, type purchase price and press enter. We will click on cell B2. Okay, we will type purchase price and then click enter. Click cell B3, click name box, type down payment and press enter. Click on cell B3 and then click the name box and type down payment. Create range name for cell B9, B10, B11, B12 and B13 based on the name located in A9, A10 and A11, A12 and A13. We will select these cells and then go to the formula tab in define names group. Click on create from selection button and then click on OK button. Question is completed now. The next question is that question number 2. Use the name manager to delete the monthly payment name range. Use the name manager to delete the monthly. We will click on the name manager box and then we will select monthly payment and then delete this. Click on yes. Okay. Edit the name range down payment to down payment. We will click on the edit name, select down payment and then we will edit the name down payment to down dash payment. Okay, click on OK button. Edit the name range purchase price to purchase price. We will go to the formula tab in the define name group. Click on define name button. Okay, sorry, name manager button and then we will click on purchase price. Click on edit and then we will type here purchase dash price. Edit purchase dash price. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do third question of this training. Replace the cell references in the PMT function located in cell B12 with the appropriate name range. Okay, we will enter. Okay, periodic rate and no payment minus payment periods. Okay, you can see here. The next question is that create a new worksheet name. Create a new worksheet name range names. Okay, right click on this and click on rename button and then we will type range names. Type range name in cell A1, click on cell A1 and then we will type range name. Okay, type location in cell B1, click on cell B1 and then we will type location. Okay, insert a list of range names used in formula to worksheet workbook starting in cell A2. Insert a list of name range used in formula. We will go to the data tab. Sorry, go to the formulas tab in the define name group. Use in formula button and then click on paste list button and then click on paste list. Okay, auto fit the width of column A and B. We will select column A and B. Go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button. Click on auto fit column width. Beginning in cell D4 on the home loan tab, complete the series of substitution value range from 4% to 6% in increment of 0.25% vertically down column D. Beginning with in cell D4. Okay, we will click on cell D4 and then go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill series button and then go to the series and then okay, complete the series of solution value ranging from 4% to 6%, increment of 0.25% vertically down column B. Click on column checkbox and 6% is step value, 0.25% step value and stop value is 6%. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. The next question is question number 6. Insert a references to the original monthly payment in cell E3. Click on cell E3, press is equal to, and then go to the cell B12 monthly payment. Click on cell B12 and then we will press is equal to in cell E3 and then go to the original monthly payment for cell B12. Then press enter. It will be find value. Insert a references to the total to repay loan in cell F3. Click on cell F3, press is equal to, and then we will click on scroll down and then we will click on total repay loan in cell B13. Press enter. Insert a reference to the original total interest paid in cell G3. Click on cell G3, press is equal to, and then we will click on cell B14. Press is equal to, click on cell B14, press enter. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 7 of this training. Use the references and substitution value created to complete a single variable data table in the range D3 to G12. We will select this range first, D3 to G12. Okay, we will select this range D3 to G12 and then go to the data tab in the for cost group. Click on what if analysis button, click on data table. Okay, variable data table in the range, use the references and substitution value. Okay, column input cell is B4. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 8. Apply the accounting number format to the range E4 to G12. We will select this range E4 to G12 and then we will go to the home tab. In the number group, click on accounting number format button. Type APR in cell D3. Click on cell D3. We will type APR. Apply the custom number format to the cell E3 to display payment. Okay, apply a custom number format to cell E3 to display payment. Click on cell E3, go to the home tab. In the number group, open number launcher box, go to the custom and then go to the general, remove the general and enter inverted commas. We will type payment and in inverted commas click on OK button. Custom name will be added. Question is completed now. The question number 9 is that okay, my connection is out right now. Please wait and you can see. Enter 15,000 in cell J3 and 5,000 in cell K3. We will click on cell J3 and then we will enter 15,000 in cell J3. And click on cell K3, we will type 15,000. Enter 2 lakh in cell L3 and 4% in cell I4. We will click on cell L3 and then we will enter 2 lakh. Click on cell L3, we will type 2 lakh. Okay, and then click on cell I4 and then we will type 4%. Apply the accounting number format to the range J3 to L3. We will select this range J3 to L3. We will go to the home tab in the number group. Click on accounting number format button. In the range I4 to I20, use the fill handle to fill the APR substitution value starting 4% and increment in 0.25% increment to 8%. We will click in cell I4. In 4%, we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill series button. We will type 4.25. Okay, increment of, you can see here. Select the range I4 to I20 and then increase the number of decimal places to 2. We will select this range and then go to the home tab in the number group, increase the decimal places to 2. We will select this range, go to the home tab in the number group and increase decimal places 2. Select insert a reference to the original monthly payment in cell I3. Click on cell I3, press is equal to and then we will press on original monthly payment on cell B12. Press enter. Simultaneously autofit the width of column J to K. We will select column J to K. Go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button, click on autofit column width. Question is completed. Now you can see a